Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, before we get into today's video, if you guys could do me a massive favor, scroll down below, hit that subscribe button. We are so close to hitting 10,000 subscribers. It's totally free for you guys to subscribe, and what it really does is it keeps you guys notified whenever I'm posting content out there, but what it really does is helps me grow and please the whole YouTube algorithm. So if you like the video, like anything I have out there, or if you want to just be supportive, scroll down below, hit that subscribe button. So for today, we're back working on the TRX once again. Surprise, surprise. I did mention something in regards to what we're going to be working on today in my 2-year review video of my TRX. I did mention that one of the things I wasn't totally stoked about was my door handles. So if you are a subscriber, this is my base model TRX. It's a 2021. I've had it for almost 2.5 years at this point, and you do not get the painted door handles on the base model. So at first it really wasn't all that big of a deal, but after 2.5 years, it's definitely started to fade out the door handles, because they're just like this unfinished plastic. And as you can see here, this one looks even worse than the driver's one up here, but we'll go have a look at the passenger side over here, and as you can see, it's the same over here. They really are starting to not fail, but fade out. If you do get the passive entry for your TRX, you do get the painted door handles. I believe like level 1 and 2, you get that right off the bat, so you're not really having to worry about this. But for base model guys like myself, the peasants, eventually our door handles are going to fade. So you could do a few things to fix this issue. You can either do the passive entry swap, which requires you to install new door handles, and obviously you're going to get the paint matched ones in that case, or you can paint the factory ones. I went ahead and got a quote for that, but they told me that it might not even hold up that well. Or you could do what I did and do the cheaper option and kind of test it out to see if it's going to be worth it. So let's go inside the garage and I'm going to show you what we're installing. I found these actually on Amazon, and they are actually painted covers that more or less just slide over your door handles. So kind of like a lot of the TRX stuff that I've been installing, that's all like the carbon fiber, but it's just not carbon fiber, it's gloss painted. So go ahead, I'm going to open up some of these so you can see. This is the second piece right here, and as you can see, it's got the nice gloss finish to it. I don't believe they're like a 100% like color match, like factory paint. Like I don't think this is metallic factory paint, but I just think it's like a generic gloss black. So for me, with a black truck, it might work out perfectly fine. But as you can see, it's just 2 covers here, and they just kind of slide over it, and then you got the second piece there. So kind of goes like that. So let's go ahead, I'll put it on the truck just so you can somewhat see what I'm referring to here. So I believe it's just going to kind of slide over it, kind of like so. Then this piece just goes over that. So obviously it's not installed, it's just kind of resting there, but as you can see, nice little difference there. So I think with a black truck you could definitely get away since it's not color matched. But yeah, let's go ahead, give it a shot, see how these things look, and yeah, let's get them installed. All right, so as you can see, we went ahead and installed them over here on the passenger side. Wanted to go ahead and give you like a side-by-side first, but you saw on that little time lapse, it's super simple to install. You just peel the backing tape and then you stick it on there. And as you can see, lines up perfectly. You don't want to cover this little area here because obviously that's where that's going to slide to release the door from the hinge. So you want to leave that little spacing there, but everywhere else lines up great. So for $35, I'm not going to complain. I think they look absolutely great. And like I was saying before, I don't think they are a direct color match, but it being gloss black, it's really not all that different. So I think if you have black and like a white car, I think you could totally get away with just using a regular gloss and black and white. So yeah, there's passenger, and we can compare it with the driver's side now. So yeah, in my opinion, they look a hell of a lot better. So let's get these thrown on there now too. And just like that, like 2 minutes later, we got the driver's side installed. The only thing you're gonna have to pay attention to is you're gonna wanna install this little piece cover that has the hole for the key, obviously on the driver's side. But as you can see, fits great, all painted now. So slowly but surely starting to get rid of all the unpainted plastic here. Now guys, I really need your help because I'm still very much torn. Do we want to paint match the fenders, or do we want some custom gloss carbon fiber fenders so it matches the vent up here, there, and over here as well? So I'm kind of leaning towards paint match, but part of me really wants to go with the carbon fender. So please comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think I should do, because I really do listen to you guys. So yeah, paint match or carbon, guys. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. It is super hot outside today. I am sweating my butt off. We're in South Florida. It's like 100 degrees right now. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Product links are gonna be in the description below if you guys wanna pick up some of these. They're really inexpensive and they're super simple to install. So yeah, guys, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Later, everybody.